Stop it.
Oh, God. Pick me up. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, stop it.
Like you're wasting perfectly good soil.
We
David.
could have made a plan with you, but no.
You gotta take
Crazy.
him to the beach and bury him.
You're crazy.
Waist deep.
David.
Take a picture of him and send it to his mother.
No, David.
David.
Make a video.
David. Stop it.
Mommy, are you making a video?
Look, David.
David.
Look, David.
Oh, get in your hair.
David.
David. Mommy,
Stop it.
make a video.
I am.
Yes.
Stop it, David.
Mommy, put it on the computer. Yes,
Stop it.
I thought we did.
David. Oh, what is that, David?
Why
Look.
does your brother have his shoes on here?
I don't know. He's like
And
cut
he
it.
saw them and I told him, what's that box? Oh, that's mine. But I thought it was an empty box.
Mommy, look. Yeah.
A monkey. Gorm, can you get up there?
Yeah, I used to, but my foot's getting stuck up.
Pull yourself up with your arms.
Stop it, David.
Mommy, I want to get up there, but Dominic's not carrying me.
Get away from me.
Damn it.
Get over
Get
there.
out of here.
Look.
David.
Mommy!
What?
Tell him to pick me up.
He can't pick you up.
David, look.
David, no.